Here's how to reset the oil light on a Chrysler Town & Country. Now this does apply to many of the other models. So the majority of your Chrysler vans, the Town & Country or other different vehicles made by Chrysler are going to be the same method as this. So what we'll do is shut the vehicle off. So this is how you start it. You're just gonna turn your key 2 clicks to on, so 1, 2, go to the gas pedal and push it all the way down. 1, 2, 3. You do it within 10 seconds and then you shut the vehicle off. And now you can turn it back on to verify it, make sure it did reset. Let's see if we got a message saying it needs an oil change. Okay, nothing's popping up. Awesome, and that's just air pressure. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. In my description, I do have referral links. They have referral bonuses and ways for you to save money in life. Just simple ways of doing the exact same thing you already do every day.